Hi guys, I upgraded my suit. Still works the same. I added a spine and a belt. And still the same. Now I have these to keep this part of the arm from getting out. I added a gun right here. What you do is take this. It hooks onto this. Hooks onto this. Pull it like so it looks like that. Pull a bullet in. Now I'm gonna actually shoot something. Okay, I kind of messed up right there. And okay, whatever. Now I just took this off. Little compartment. I noticed that here was my knife. 6-inch blade. Never use it. Now right here, you can put it right in there and close it. Full knife carrier. This is a grappling hook. Don't have any strength for this. Still working on this. I think I know how to get it to stay.